Alright. I'll give you a choice. You've got the core one, okay? That's the and it looks like an ar-15, but use that little bullet. Okay, that bottom right there, that's the storm. Okay, they both shoot the same both have the same kind of mechanism, so they both very makes you a little stronger.
Stand like this.
Alright.
Like this.
Solid. One outside.
Okay. You guys can take pictures anytime you want.
Everything's moving. 1600.
Use this bag.
Finger up on the frame.
Nah.
Hey, you up.
You're going to hold it the same exact way as he did, alright? Nice and tight into your shoulder, just like that. And you're going to get your hand over there.
Put your cheek.
Actually, let me get the stock in first.
Third. Put your cheek.
And now check your
Just
sights.
lifting it up.
Your sights level and center.
You might flip it over the bar.
Blind.
It's the equivalent of hitting a deer with a car.
From back. Let me get this for a second.
You're going to pull the trigger, it shoots, then you got to
Gotta give you some space.
I'm good, man.
Take this hand out.
Where your ass look
Tighten
anyway,
this
you know what I
hand.
mean?
All the there. Now take the other hand out.
Alright.
Perfect.
Nice and tight.
You get a chance, just tuck that
Ready?
away.
No problem.
Ordinarily,
Can you put the red dot? Good. All you have to do is put that red dot on whatever you want to shoot. Make sure the gun is nice and tight because you're off just by a hair. You're going to be off by an inch at 10 yards, alright? So whenever you're ready, I'll load you up and you can have some fun. You can test out that trigger. It's not loaded yet. Just like that. Good.
Don't lean back. Lean forward.
You want to spread your legs out a little bit. And you might want to step into the rifle. It's going to give you a little bit of a kick, so you want to just get your body a little forward.
How's that, Jay? That's pretty good, right?
Now you're in. See how your head is long? See how sharp this is?
Good, right for the stuffed animal.
You look down here, you look that perfectly flat. All you want to be is the top of that piece. Top of that piece, hit. All hell breaks loose. Yeah, if you hit his ear with this, they're going to
Hard time walking.
How'd you like that? Pretty good?
I know.